You're short. But you're eating. This is Jacob's dog.
Hey, dog.
It's eating a basketball like a noob.
That some lady popped. Pulled in my driveway. Popped it.
Yeah, that lady noob.
Yeah.
See, look at Jacob's upside down smile.
He really likes candy.
He's always first pick for ladies running over his basketballs. That's pretty true. I mean, look at that basketball. It's destroyed, bro.
Come here. High five.
All right, now let's watch this dog in action.
High five. Yeah, he does that.
Oh,
And he also-
beast.
That's it. Come on, Gunner. Eric, do you want to hold this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Just hold it like stop. Just like hold it. Fist bump. High five.
Oh,
Paw.
oh,
Arm, knee, elbow, elbow. Yeah.
oh, oh, beast, beast. That paw's beast.
Yeah, he's pretty smart. Intelligent. Sit. Sit. Hey, Gunner. Sit. Sit, Gunner. Sit. He also does it without me saying it. Okay, I want you to stay. 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 Stay.
Oh, look at that bond.
Okay, Gunner. Gunner. Sit.
Kevin Durant, Kevin Durant, Kevin Durant.
Stay. Don't.
Kevin Durant, Kevin Durant, Kevin Durant.
Okay, you have it.
See, that Kevin Durant chews up that dog's crack.
Oh yeah, I got some extra foam paws with I in. Oh wait, what? My foam paws are gone, guys. Come on, guys. You know, you boys eat rich. You got all the candy in the hood.
Do it again.
Peace out, guys. This is a video of my dog. See you guys.